Hello everyone, today our group will be presenting a demo for our project, which is the course mark and grade management system. Our group name is Bravo, and this is our group member. We have Muhammad Nawal, Muhammad Mirza, Alif Muhammad Jundi, and myself, Rahmanur Fitri. This is our metric number. Okay, so to run the program, we have two methods. The first one, which is the manual execution using terminal. So we open this file, open in terminal, and then we're going to do cd source. Okay, and then we're gonna use javac dot main javac main dot java main, and then we have the main menu for our program. For our second method, we can just open this folder and then click the run program, and we're just going to run it. And we also have the main menu for our program. After we run the program, we have the main menu over here. If we input number 1, we can do the user login, and 2 for the exit program. So I'm going to input 1. Here we have the user login, and I'm going to try to log in as a student, which is Adna, and the password is 19001. Login successful for the student, and I'm going to press enter. We have register course, group course, view registered course, view grades and CGPA, and log out. This is the students menu. This is what the students did. I'm going to log out. Next, I'm going to log in as a lecturer, which is username Azra, and the password is 5624. Login successful. Enter. We have view assigned courses, view student in a course, update student marks, view course results summary, and logout. This is the menu for the lecturer. I'm going to log out, and last I'm going to log in as the admin, which is the admin 1. Whoops, sorry. I'm going to choose 1 first, and then input the username as admin 1. The password is 1234. Login successful, and this is what the admin menu looks like. We have manage students, manage lecturers, manage courses, and logout. I'm going to log out, and if we input number 2, it's just going to exit the program. Exit in program.
So now we will proceed to student menu demo, which is here. The first thing shown is the student information. They have name, matrix number, and user type, which is student. And first, I will show the view registered course page, which is in option 3. So it is empty because we not registered anything yet. Continue to the first page, which is register course. So here is the available course that offered to the student. And we can enter the number of course that we want to register. For example, I register all of these 5 subjects. Enter the first course code 012. And in case if the student enter the wrong course code, for example SCSE, so the system will show invalid course code and the student need to enter it back for the correct course code. It's SCR1013, and it continue to the next course UHMT10. And yes, all of these subjects have been registered successfully. So we can see here in the option 3, all of these courses have been registered and it's shown here. And if the student want to see their grades or CGPA that have been updated by their lecturer, they can see in page 4, which is view grades and CGPA. So here for Ahmad Mujahid, the grades are shown here for the coursework mark, final mark, and final exam mark and total. This is the grade for the total mark, and this is the credit hour for each subject. Here is the CGPA for Ahmad Mujahid. So the code file in this page have a function to calculate the CGPA by a formula. So here I want to show if if the student want to drop a course, it's have in option 2, and this is the registered course. For example, I want to drop a first course which is SECI 1013, and yeah, it has been dropped. So we see here in page 3, yeah, only 4 courses that are registered for this student. So it's successfully dropped.
Hi, my name is Alef Mamajundi and I will demo the lecturer menu. We have 5 options here. The first one, if the lecturer want to view the course that assigned to them, we press 1 and here the list of the course that already assigned to this lecturer. We press enter to continue. And if the lecturer want to see the student in the course that assigned to them, we can press 2. We go to option 2, view student course, and we select the course that we want to see the student inside it. We try to choose 2, and this is the list of the student that in SECG 1013. Metric number, student name, course final, total, and grade. We press enter to go to main menu again. And if the lecturer want to update their student marks, we can press 3 and choose the course that we want to update the student mark. We press 1 and then we choose the metric number CS1009, the new coursework mark which is 70, and the new final exam mark which is we try to input 30. Success, mark updated, enter to continue, and we try to see if it's work or not. We press 3 and 1 and it's already 70, 30, and the total is 100. Okay, we can press 0 to cancel. Go back to the lecturer menu, and then if the lecturer want to view the course result summary from their course, we can press we can go to option 4, view course result, and then we choose the course first, programming technique 1, and it will listed the student metric, student name, coursework, final exam, total and grade, and the total student graded, high score, lowest score, and the average score. And the top scorer is Adam Najmi, which is the highest score 100. We press enter to continue again and enter to go to main menu. Okay, if the lecturer want to log out, we can just press 5 and go back to the login menu. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Naufal. Now we move on to the admin side of the system. In admin side, we can pretty much see all the admin information and the many choices admin can do. And here we can pretty much see we can manage students, lecturer, and courses. Let's go with the first one. So at manage student, we can pretty much add, edit, delete, and view all student. So first we see view all the student. And here we can pretty much see there's a 26 student in total. Their name, their student ID, username, and their password. And I'm going to demonstrate adding a new student, edit it, and delete it. So let's first with the first one. We're just going to call it our new student, Ayman Ali. And then our new student ID, we're just going to set it as is 190067. For username, we're just going to put ID. And then for new student password, let's just say 190067. And the student were added successfully. So we view it all and we can pretty much see it's already there. So I'm gonna demonstrate that it can also be used to log in because it's basically a student account that have been created. ID and 190007, and here the login was successful. So since we already add new student, we can also try edit the student. So we can pretty much see here, Aiman Ali. Let's try to edit it. 7, and then we just gonna insert maybe another name. And then if we don't want to change anything, just hit enter. And the student record will update successfully. As you can see here, the name has changed to Aiman Aliman. And we can also end up deleting the student that we just created. And we can pretty much see here, we first have to pick the name, which is Aiman Aliman. And let's just pick number 27. Just hit yes. It will ask yes or no. And the student were deleted successfully. As you can see, no more Aiman in our system. Now, managed lecturer is also pretty much the same. With the little differences, it can add new lecturer, edit the lecturer, and delete lecturer, and also view all lecturer. We can pretty much see here, there are like 6 lecturer in our system. And we can also all lecturer courses they were assigned. So we can pretty much see, for example here, we can pretty much see Mae Lambong are our teaching graduate, success attribute, and other 3 courses. So let's hit back to admin menu, and I'm gonna show you courses. So for courses, it's also a lot of differences. We can see a view all courses. In total, we have 5 courses right now. Now we can also view all lecturer for all courses. So here we can pretty much see it show all the courses and the lecturer who teach it. So let's just say we want to assign the lecturer. So here, let's say we want to assign to programming technique 1 as an example. So it will show programming technique 1 and the lecturer who teach the course. So assigning lecturer, it will show the lecturer who are available, who are still not assigned to this course. So let's just say we want to add Mae Lambo, one of our lecturer here, and the assignment was successful, and we view all courses, and we just see here programming technique 1, Mae Lambo were already assigned. So we can also unassign the lecturer from the courses, and you're pretty much see, and then number 12, Mae Lambong were assigned to programming technique 1. Let's just unassign him. And it will ask for confirmation, just say yes, and unassignment were successful. Let's go view the lecture for all courses. As you can see, programming technique 1, Mae Lambong were no longer there. So that's for the admin side of our system. So that's all, and thank you for watching.